Hello, I'm Jeff Tennant, and trading is closed on November 10th, 2015. My call from yesterday said that Monday's action was basically positive, and that even if we traded lower, I thought we had a good chance to finish in the black, which is what happened. During the day, MEJT gave a few signals. It said that lower prices would print here. The target was here and was hit immediately, not particularly tradable. There was support under the target, which doesn't have to hold, but it did. In the afternoon, MEJT said ultimately lower prices would print. They did immediately. Here's the white dot. That's the minimum. Usually we get more than the minimum, but we don't have to. MEJT now says this rally is false. We have stalled at the MEJT resistance level, and it calls for 2075.54 to print, most likely tomorrow. So we have targets for tomorrow of 2075.54 with a reasonable chance so that sometime we get more than the minimum from the ultimate sell signal, meaning about 2073.78 or lower. Well, here's a 30-minute chart. I wanted to see bar 13 print of the sequential buy signal. It did, because the last 3 bars of the combo buy signal don't have to obey all the rules. It's possible that this X here is number 12 and this one's number 13. It's possible I'd still be happier if we dropped a bit and got those numbers for real, but it's not required for the pattern to go to completion. We're on a buy signal. It either works or it fails in a big way. So it's not too impressive that after rallying all day long, we couldn't overcome this high or even the prior high here. That's a lot of movement without much to show for it. It also isn't too promising that we are still trading under the price of the FOMC announcement. What's really concerning, if you look at the Fibonacci grid I drew yesterday, is that we stopped right at the Fibonacci 38.2% resistance of a weak recovery and then started selling off. For tomorrow I have a target of 2075.54 with a likely print of 2073.78, maybe even lower than that. It is still possible for the bulls to rescue today's action by having a gap over today's high and preferably over this high. If that were to occur, I don't think these prices would print. But anything less than a gap up tomorrow, over this high and this high, and preferably even stronger than that, anything less than such a gap I would view negatively, and I feel that these prices would print, and that is today's call.